If you want to create your professional resume or CV, one of the best tools available for that is Canva. And I'm going to use this tool in this video to show you how you can easily create a professional looking resume that can help you get your dream job. And it's extremely easy to do so. And in most cases, it's free as well. You would get a lot of free templates. Those are pretty good. You can simply edit those templates and download a professional looking high quality resume. If you don't have Canva installed on your phone, it's very easy. On iOS, it's available on App Store, on Android, Google Play Store. Just look for Canva, spelling Canva. This is the logo of the app. Just open it up. And first time, it'll ask you to sign up and log in. If you don't have an account, create an account, sign up. It's free. I'm on the free version. So if you don't have the paid version, you can follow the steps that I'm following and you can do the same thing that I would be doing here. Let's start. First of all, you need to click on this plus button that you see on the bottom middle of your screen. And then in search, type resume. And we want to do this because we want to get templates of resumes, right? So it gives you what type of resume do you want to create. You would get a lot of templates on your screen and you guys can scroll and look for the best template that you want to use. In my case, I like this template. The picture's looking very nice. I think it's very professional. However, this is paid. So it is not free. If you want to use this picture, you wouldn't be able to remove the watermarks and replace this image. So if I replace this image with my own image, I would just go ahead and simply choose this image. I know it's not perfect looking, but I'd go with this image. All we need to do from here is start making the changes, right? Each section is already predefined. The designing is done. Color combination, everything is already there. Just change it. I'll add my name. So SGL, that's the name of my channel, but you would obviously type your name here. And the designation, I would say product manager. Okay. And work experience, you would start making changes. Just tap, make changes, tap, edit, make changes, tap, edit, make changes. You can do that on all of these sections. You can change the skill set here as well. So let's say if I would change the skill set from 93% to something else, I can change it from progress ring to progress bar, radial progress. If I want to make changes to these numbers, I can go in the settings and I can change. So for example, if I want to change it from 93 to let's say 97%, it's going to reflect those changes in my resume. So that's how you make changes to these wheels or graphs. And then once you're done making all of these changes and you want to download this, it is very simple. You would see a download button on the top right corner, but you don't want to click on the download button. Instead, you would want to click on the button that appears on the extreme right corner, top right corner. Tap on this button. The reason why we click on this button is because it's going to give us some extra added options. So you can see now if you go ahead and click download, it gives you multiple options to choose the format in which you want to download this file. So for example, I can select PDF standard, PNG, JPG. If it's a resume, I would recommend you to download it as a PDF file, and PDF standard works best. Select PDF standard, tap download. As you guys can see, it has already started downloading, and I'm going to go ahead and save it in my files. I would name it I'll keep it as SGL, and this file will be saved. Let's go ahead and search for this file in my files. So here is the file. Let me just open it up. So this is the resume that we've just created using Canva. You guys can see if I zoom it in, the quality is pretty good. Text is readable. The quality of text is pretty good. So Canva is one of the best tools I have found, not just for resumes, but for YouTube thumbnails, graphic designing. You can do so much with this tool, but for resumes or CVs, this is perfect. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.